Welcome back to day 11 of making a canoe. So as you guys can see behind me, I'm in a different location. So still in the same building, but different spot. So if you guys want more information on that, I'll go into some details at the end of the video. Not to bore you with this at the beginning, but what the work I'm going to be doing today is I'm working on the stems. So in the last video, I worked on the steamer so I'd be able to make the stems and bend the piece on. So on with the work. All cut to the right thickness, and I inspected all of them, making sure there's no knot like this one here that has a knot. That makes it weak, so if I were to bend here it would just snap, and so we can't use these pieces. But something like this where the grain is all the way through, that's good. So all these are good, so they're cut at the right thickness but not the right width. So now I gotta cut them down to 7/8. Alright, so now that I have them cut, I got all 12 pieces, and they both get laminated, like so. And I have to put a clamp at one end, and then when they're steamed, you need to bend the piece onto the stem mold. Got this pre-steamed, it's already warm in there. I'm going to be doing 6 pieces today. Glove. I just found out, and it does say it in the manual, wear a glove when you're putting stuff in there because the steam is hot. So out here I wasn't really feeling it, but once my hand was in there, oh, she's hot in there. The lumber's in there, pieces for the stem are in there. So I'm going to be using this as my mold for the bending. And so my plan are to put the pieces here flat and against this part so they all go square. And then I'm going to clamp it here, move that over here, and then start applying these clamps on it throughout. And I don't have that much time to actually get that bent on there. So the optimal time for me to get this done is 45 seconds. So I gotta get that piece here and there clamped on in 45 seconds. So it'll actually be pretty quick. I'll be moving fast and wearing gloves because those pieces are going to be hot when I take them out. If I need to steam them more, I'm able to, but once I already start getting the bend, it's going to be hard for me to get it inside the steam pipe. So I'm going to see how it goes when from the clamping time, and if I need to, after I clamp it, I'll have to put it back in. But we'll see. So as you guys can see, I got it on there pretty good. So I was a little stressing out at the beginning, but the way it says to do it in the book is to get your first one, and you don't need to do every single one as you go. Just skip a few, put, and then until you get the shape. And I found I had to loosen them because they weren't really in line this way. They were kind of splitting on me a bit. And I got a good clamp at the beginning that this guy helped a lot. Like, I know this board here is a little off, but it doesn't matter because this is going to get cut right here. And same at the other end here, that's going to get cut right there. So turned out pretty good. So I'll only have one right now, and then I gotta let that dry 24 hours. All right, so here's some updates. So update number 1, the canoe's in a different spot. I'm gonna have to re-level this thing. I had to move it. Where it was in the shop was taking some space that we needed. Now I'm over here, I won't be in the way. I still have to do some work to finish this area before I can drop the canoe, but this is where it's gonna be. So while I'm working on the stuff I need to do, I can't work on the canoe. So the canoe's gonna be on pause, unfortunately. I'm enjoying the project. It's not that I don't want to work on it. I'm having a blast with this, learning. Unfortunately, have to put it on pause while I get all these other things done. When's the next video going to be? I'm thinking maybe in another 3 weeks. So hopefully it's not that long. It all depends on time and the other jobs I got to finish before I get to the canoe again. And when I get back to the canoe, I'm going to have to put the canoe down, re-level it. In theory, I wasn't supposed to be moving this canoe. What it says in the book is once you put it down, you glue it and you don't move it. But this is solid. These are solid. They're not going to move. Where it would have been a real problem was if I started putting on the strips on the side, which is not where I'm at, but if I were starting to put the strips along the side and I was moving it while they were gluing and drying, then I could have created some stress fractures and would have just been not a good time. So once I put that thing down, I'll just have to re-level it. Yeah, so that's update number 1. Update number 2 is, so I've discovered some mistakes that I'm gonna have to fix. So on the stem, which is the bane of my existence because of the numbers on the canoe I chose were wrong, it just keeps reoccurring that I'm having issues with these numbers because they weren't given straightforward. So what's going on is the stem is at the top here. So the stem goes over top like this. And there's the 3 first pieces, and then all the boards that come on the side connect to those 3 pieces, and then the 3 pieces after are above and they seal it. So, but those first 3 pieces are not supposed to be higher than this point there. So those 3 pieces end up here. They end up here, but they're supposed to be here, and then like that. So I'm gonna have to cut the bottom of this board to lower my stem mold, and I wish I didn't, but that's the reality of the situation. The second issue there is with this is I glued my station on there. So because the station is glued on there, the best case scenario would have been these aren't glued, this gets lowered, and I cut this off at where it's supposed to be. And then that could flow into the stem. So that's not going to happen. I'm gonna have to see if this still works, if I'm gonna have to scrap that. I'm unsure. It's unfortunate, but it's a learning process, and it's the first time I do it, so everything's a learning curve. So that's the front. Same thing with the back. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it was good enough, leave a like. And if you guys want to leave a comment, feel free to do so. Do share to your friends. If you guys think someone would like the video, like the series. Obviously the canoe's not finished yet, but maybe it will be while you guys are watching. If you're further along than when I posted the video. So subscribe if you guys don't want to miss out. I'm not done with the canoe. It's not finished. So there will be more videos. See you next time.